Is when you see these products, I wanted to say that it took us, as like me and my mum, probably like 5 months, if not more, probably like 6 months, like half of the year to save up for these products. So I just didn't get them straight away when they first launched or anything. So I just wanted to let you guys know, just in case anybody out there is thinking, wow, she has a lot of money, because I do not, and my family don't either. So I'm going to first start off with this. I honestly haven't even opened the packaging, apart from like to open it, like the box what it's in, or like the container. I haven't even like looked into them, so I'm very excited. We're going to do it together. So the first thing, it came battered in the post, because you know what postmen are like. So I got this, which I've honestly been wanting this palette since it first came out. Was it like November it came out? Pretty sure it was November it came out, and I couldn't get it because when I first like went on, obviously it was sold out and stuff, and then they've been like restocking it probably like nearly every month, and I've just never been able to get my hands on it because I haven't had the money, or my mum's never had the money. And because it's my birthday in like 3 weeks, my mum has gotten me this, but I don't think my mum is giving it me. I think that's somebody else is giving it me, but I'm still going to show you it because why not. But I'm going to put it back in the box as well as the other products. So if you don't know already, this is the Morphe X James Charles palette. He also came out with a brush collection or brush set, but I'm happy with my own brushes, and I was like thankful to get it. So as you can see, it's still in bubble wrap, and it's easy to like put back in. So and then on the back, he just wrote a really nice like message. So it just says, "Hi sisters, James Charles here, and welcome back to my palette. I love glam, but I also have a huge passion for crazy, colourful, outside of the box makeup, and I created this palette with that in mind. I included every beautifully formulated shade necessary to create literally any look you could possibly imagine. I can't wait to see what you come up with when you unleash your inner artist." So this whole theme around this palette is unleash your inner artist. So it has bright colours, but it also has neutral colours for people who aren't as daring as like some people, or like not as much experienced, or they're not experienced. I'm not saying anybody's rubbish, because literally, have you seen my eyeshadow looks? I'm just saying people who are comfortable sticking to like the neutrals. So yeah, I literally haven't even opened this. Literally, you've just seen me do this. So we're going to experience this together. You've probably all seen it online and stuff, but I don't care, I'm still going to show you. So this is the palette. It's like just black with black writing. There we go. It just says Morphe X James Charles, and that's his signature. And I would honestly 100% want to meet him, but I can't. Oh my god, it's even beautiful in person. What the actual fudge. Oh my god. I'm literally blown away. Are you ready, guys? Can we take a moment for this palette? Literally. And I have like the shade name. Oops, sorry. Shade name thingamabob here. I can't see them, so I'm gonna like go through them. So I'm gonna like spin you around the other side actually, so then you're able to see it and not just my ugly face, because you don't want to see that. Even more beautiful when you spin it this way. Jesus. So I have the names up here, so I'm going to go through them, even though you probably already know all these names, but just for my purpose. So I'm going to start off with this top row. So we have Canvas Ring Light, So Good 518, which I believe is his area code, Rusted Halloween, Rig, and Tea, which is lol for that shade. And then these are the neutrals. And then the second row of neutrals is Punch Me, which I believe is a reference to the Dolan twins. Sister, because he just calls us sisters. Mary, after like flashback Mary. Literally. You're Kidding. Shook. Boutique, which I believe is like a shop in LA. And Benny, which I believe is his dog back at home. And these, he said, are like your transition shades, or more like everyday shades. So we have Flashback, Face, which he says you can use as a highlighter, and then literally, I think he said you can use this as a blusher. And then we have Tune, so Face Tune, LOL. Code James, because he says that a lot. 10% off, because it says Code James for 10% off. Just touch the blue. No Beans, Spooker. And then these are the colourful shades. So we have B, which I believe is like dedicated to his mother. Guac. Hello. Playground, because I believe he met his best friend on a playground. Brother, because obviously he has a brother called Ian, a younger brother. Artistry. Love That. Pinky Drinkity. Or Pinkety Drinkity, because I believe that's like a Starbucks drink. Social Blade. Daddy. Cafe Cod. Cape Cod. Cape Cod? Yeah, Cape Cod. Cola. Acapella. Escape. Single. Which honestly, I will literally name one of an eyeshadow palette single, because yeah, lol. And then Skip. But I'm not going to swatch any of these shades because like I just don't want to touch them because they're just so beautiful. But these are like the shades. Here we go. So yeah, and there's like a full video of this reveal, so if you want to check that out, it's on his channel. But oh my god, I'm going to put this back in its like packaging, and I'm going to move on to this one over here. I'm going to show you this wave round first, and then I will show you like I did with the James Charles palette the other way. So this has my address on, so I'm just going to cover that for 2 seconds. There we go. But it's made in LA, and it's fragile. And are you ready for the inside? Oh, I'm just going to like pull all this out so I'm able to see. I'm just going to pull this stuff out because it's literally got bubble wrap everywhere. Oh, Colourpop. I've never ordered anything from Colourpop at all. But I wanted to get Zoella's collab with Colourpop, so I only got the things that I would use. So I'm going to pop these out. Now I don't know if I'm able to take these out of the packaging without ruining it and without my mum noticing that I've been in. But I only got like a few bits, I didn't get the whole collection. So they're all in bubble wrap. So it's Zoella times Colourpop. Yeah, Zoella X Colourpop, and the theme is brunch, or brunch club, or just brunch, I think. So honestly, this packaging is goals. Can we please just talk about the packaging? It's a flipping waffle. Like, if I don't do this with any of my products that I want to come out with, which will be in a very long time, then I don't know what I'm missing out. So I'm going to take this out. Hallelujah. Look at this packaging. Can we please? I even looked inside. So, oh. Literally, I'm going to use this palette every single day. I'm not going to lie. Oh my god. It smells of actual waffles. What the actual heck? Take a moment. Oh my god, yes. This is going to be my new everyday palette. So, are you ready? Oh, look at these shades. I'm going to show you better when I spin you around. But, oh my actual god. Ah! So these are so, like, everyday wear. And then there's like a pop of like colour, which is this blue, which I think is fab that she did that. And oh my god, these shades are amazing. I'm literally going to be using this palette every day when it's like past my birthday. I probably will wear this on my birthday, actually. Oh my god. So I'm going to like switch around in a minute. And I got these two. So I've got the blusher in Soulmate and the highlighter in Swipe White, which I think is hilarious. So I'm going to take these out because I haven't even looked at these and even swatched them. I'm going to swatch these because, like, why not? I'm going to not rip the packaging because I would. Literally look like an egg. What is that about? I'll show you better the other way around because it'll be better lighting. Oh my god, that highlighter. Yes. Look at that. Whoa. I'm going to just do a swatch because I've just got to do like a one swatch. It's going to like literally just go over there. Look at that. Please. Oh, you can't see it. I'll show you the other way around. But it's kind of like got like a pinky reflex. It isn't the most pigmented highlighter out there, but it's kind of like a subtle like blur. So I'm not mad about it because like I would wear it. That's the whole point I purchased this, because like I said previously, I wouldn't like buy something that I wouldn't use. And then this I believe is a blusher in, again, Soulmate, which I think is so cool. There's more to this collection. There's like 2 like glitter eyeshadows, a bunch of lipsticks, an eyeliner as well. But I've just got like the stuff that I would use on an everyday basis. Woo. So this is the blush packaging. It's same as a highlighter. Are you ready? Oh no. Ooh, that's a nice blusher shade. I'm gonna do another swatch because like I have to do another swatch. Oh yeah, that's nice subtle pink. Yeah, that's good. Oh, I like this, and it has a mirror too, so it's good for traveling. And it's magnetic, which I think is really cool. And then the last thing is a liquid lipstick. I'm pretty sure it's a liquid lipstick. In Little One, which is the nickname that Alfie calls Zoe. So I had to get it. And it's like a nude, because I knew I would wear the nude every day. I need to smell it and swatch it. Oh yeah, that's my perfect nude. Look at that. So I'm gonna hear that squelch? ASMR. ASMR. Yeah, right. So I'm gonna move the packaging out of the way, and then I will show you the stuff in better lighting, so you're able to see what the fudge I'm on about. Oh, I really want to put these on my face right now, but I can't. So the packaging up close. So this is eyeshadow palette. This is, oops, sorry, the highlighter. That's a blusher, and then this is a lipstick. stick. So I'm going to do them individually. So this is the eyeshadow palette. It has names which I haven't told you about yet, but look at those. Ooh, gorgeous. And this is not even without the flash on. So we have champagne, toast, pancakes, please, French toast, skinny latte, cinnamon sugar, mimosa, maple syrup, Sunday funday, sunny side up, Americano, brunch club, and then extra slice, which is kind of like, it's not a shimmer, it's more of a glitter. But I don't know why these two shades are different, like, packaging. I just swatched it and it's gorgeous. I don't know, I think she might have mentioned it from Snapchat, and it comes with a really nice mirror too. So I would definitely will use this on an everyday basis, and I will give like my thoughts and opinions on like the collection as well as the James Charles palette once I've used them. I might like do like a tutorial using like the palettes, like separate tutorials. This is the highlighter, so something like this. It's like a egg, which I think is really cool. I'm not going to be able to open it now with one hand, am I? Literal disgusting. Yes. Oh, there we go. I'll bring it up close so you can see it in the lighting. So as you can see, it's like a very subtle highlighter. It's not much glitter there, but it's still really nice. Kind of gold with like pink in it, which I don't mind. And it's magnetic. And this is the blusher in the same packaging as the highlighter. So this is the blusher. It's a really nice subtle pink colour. Look at that's in the light. And this is a liquid lipstick. I'll show you the applicator. Oops, that's alright. My bed is full of makeup anyway. And then this is it dried down and swatched. And then you can't really see, but the highlighter's on there and the blusher. So yes, so I'm going to put these back in the packaging now.